Hi everyone, I wanted to make this video because there was an update in Oculus Quest, and as you can see over there, there is a mirror to create your avatar. And in this video, we are going to create one. Okay, so right now we have also arms, not only the hands. And let's see. So first you have to point at the mirror over there and click on Edit Avatar. Then you have to select a template. You can use the leave over here to change, let's say to slide on the right. So I will take, well, they don't look like me at all, but let's pick up her. Then you can configure it. You can change the skin tone. These are very similar. You can change the hair style and color. So there are many options. Actually, I thought there were less. This one can be okay. This one is okay too. Color should be kind of brown. You have even pink here if you want to select it. Okay, I have to say that this color does not look like that one, but never mind. This is more orange. I'm not sure why the colors looks different. Wow, okay, this is too much. What about blue? That is dark blue. What about this? Nah. Let's stay with classic. I will change it later, but for now it's okay. Then face shape, definitely not this one. Either this one or this. Jawline. There's nothing. Nice. Face markings. I would say nothing. Okay, face lines. I'm not sure what is changing right now. They actually look the same to me. Anywho, eyes, shape. This is always taking a lot of time. This Asian. I mean, for now we can randomly select some. Blue is fine. Eyebrows. Shape, linear. Yep. The color should be fine. Eye makeup, no. Nose. Mouth. So you can configure all of these things, basically, based on what you want. I have to say that I was expecting something different. For example, taking a photo of you and adapting the avatar according to that, similar to what Spatial AO is doing. But yeah, that's not it. So yeah, you can play around with some colors and shapes, mainly. Facial hair, not for me. Body. So it seems you have also a body, which is nice, because until a few years ago, you couldn't do that. So you have only the upper body of an avatar. Let's pick up something thin. This one is fine. Bindi. What is Bindi? Ah, okay. It's for Indians. Hearing devices, really? No. I mean, this is the first time I'm seeing this. Hearing device in an avatar. God, really? Outfit? Okay. Well, I was expecting a filtering by gender, but maybe it's intentional. They want to be more open. I don't know. Well, this one is okay, but the shirt is horrible. It's really unwatchable. It's nice. They have also typical dressings. Not sure which one should I select. They have a lot of choice, which is good. Cheerleader, really? The cheerleader? This one. So they have something like casual, elegant. There's nothing futuristic, which is surprising. I was expecting something more cool, but there isn't. So let me pick up the first one I chose, even if the shirt was horrible. There is also this one, but I don't like the shirt anyway. There are only two with the skirts. And I don't know if it is my impression, but there is more choice for men. Well, I will stick with this one for now. Then I will probably change it. Headwear, no. Eyewear. Let's see. God, this shirt is so horrible. I mean, really is really something. Okay, I would say that we skip the eyewear as well. Ear piercings, really? I don't see my ears, so that would be a lost. Nose, no. So that's it. So you can create up to this. So okay, let's see. yeah, let's save it for now, even if it doesn't look like me at all. And that's already a major point. You have also this one. You can see it in 3D. Okay, so I save it, and I guess that's it. What about now? So I guess I can use it in, okay, here is myself. But no, so that's already disappointing. I configured my body and he'd asked me which kind of body I wanted, but look at that, it's just the upper body. So it is like years ago, nothing improved there. I'm not sure why. So I can go in front of it, which is nice. Oops. And I want this to be moved so I can see myself. So it replicates the movement, which is nice. I don't like that I don't have my lower part of my body, and I don't know what you think, but the arms movement are very clunky. They are not good at all. They're not smooth. Look at that. And it goes through the hairs. My hand is going through my hair. It stopped at the body, which is nice. But see, even through my face, I mean, seriously, this is not good. But yeah, so I suppose I can use this avatar in meetings. Also, my mouth doesn't move. I would expect that it moves when I talk, but for that they probably need to either track the mouth visually or to, yeah, maybe it moves now, or to hear sounds. So hear when someone is talking and then move the lips accordingly. So I guess for this video is fine. It was just to configure the avatar, but I can do another video to use it in, I guess, Horizon or anyway another application. See you.